so many years driving past, looking at this boat sitting, I ended up having to drive down the person's driveway and ask them if they're interested in selling. The owner originally wanted $5,000 for the boat and trailer. There's a lot of work to be done on this boat, and I don't know if it was worth it. So I asked him what his lowest price was. He said $3,500. After seeing so much work that needs to be done on the boat, I just couldn't do it. So I asked him what his lowest price was. He said $2,500, and that's it. After going back and forth looking at how much work needed to be done, I ended up having to tell the owner I couldn't do it. The next morning, after telling the owner I wasn't able to do the $2,500, I get a text from him. He says, $1,000 and it's yours. I was ecstatic because this boat is a dream boat of mine, something that my kids can be growing up into, and something I'm going to pass down to them when they're older. And this is where it all started.